guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup review slash tutorial on the Cara Duo Cara Beauty palettes. So these are the new Cara Duo palettes from Cara Beauty. I know that might have confused some of you guys, but the reason that they're called Cara Duos is because they're double-sided palettes. As you guys can see, this is one side and then this is the other, so they split open like that. There's 4 different series of palettes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys each one. You guys might have seen these palettes already in my last haul video that I did, which was also including some Ulta makeup. So if you guys would like to see that, I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the cards above, if not at the end screen. But yeah, this is the Daydreamer and Night Thinker palette, which looks like this. Then we have the Let There Be Magic, so she has a more neutral side and then a more fun side. And then we have Bailey versus Kaylee, and again some reds in here as well as some greens and blues. And then we have Free Spirit, Wild Heart Free Spirit, which looks like this and like this. Alright guys, so before we jump into this video, make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on your post notifications so you guys are always up to date on when I upload. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the ABH eye primer, and I'm going to be priming one eye at a time, just because I feel like once this already kind of sets, it's a little bit difficult sometimes to go ahead and do the look that I want, but usually I do work both eyelids at once. Today I'm just going to do separately, so I'm just going to go ahead and prime. I almost did this eye. That's exactly what I'm telling you guys I'm not going to do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Acid Rain brush that I got from P. Louise. It just looks like this. Too bright, which looks like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a bit more just so you guys can see what I'm doing on my lid. So once I've gone ahead and carved out, I'm just going to go ahead, once I already have the placement of that base, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blend out the edges so that when I go in with my base later, it's not so harsh looking. I'm just going to go ahead and pluck any kind of stray hairs I have. I'm going to go ahead and go into this deep plum shade right here, and this is a Let There Be Magic palette. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush right here. It's a little dirty. I'm just taking that shade and building it up to get it as deep as I'd like it to be. Okay, and then rubbing off that shade, I'm just going to go ahead and go into the shade called I think this is a shade called Pop Out, which is a little bit, just a little bit brighter than that. I'm going to go ahead and place her just a little bit over top. I'm actually going to take the hot pink shade. So this is a shade that I used. I used this shade right in my crease, this shade, and I'm going to go ahead and use this hot pink. Okay, so now that I used that hot pink and blended it a little bit over top, I'm going to go ahead and just use a makeup wipe. These are the makeup wipes that I use, and they're from Shop Miss A in the scent Cucumber, actually. Just going to go ahead and wipe off the fallout. Okay, and now I'm gonna take that same little brush and taking some more of my Anastasia primer. Okay, so once I've carved out my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not sure what shade I want to use on my lid. There's like a lot of glitters in here and different shimmers, but I don't really know how they're gonna apply onto my lid, and I want something very vibrant. So do I want to mess with glitter today? You know what, I'm just going to go ahead and begin putting some of that shade kind of like in the outer portion. Alright, so once I'm done putting that shadow on the outer part, I'm just going to go ahead and just fill in my brows. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I know I told you guys that I was gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, but I just decided to go ahead and do the whole face because I've pretty much already shared all of the products that I normally use with you all. I pretty much just did my normal face routine. And this is the palette that I ended up using, just showing you guys one last time. I only used this side, but I'm actually really impressed. Not that I expected them to be low quality, but I'm really satisfied with the way that the eyeshadow look turned out. I definitely want to start playing around with the other palettes. If you guys would like for me to continue making looks with the other 3 palettes, let me know in the comments down below. But this is with the Let There Be Magic palette. So I think that it worked out pretty well. I really like how it performed. It blended out well, it builded well. So yeah, I know that I'm filming in a different location, so I'm sorry if the way that I film is a little bit hard to articulate what I'm doing exactly. I'm going to try to work on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Make sure to check out Kara Beauty and their new Kara Duos. I'm not affiliated with them. I just decided to pick up the bundle and try them on camera today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on your post notifications so you guys are always up to date on when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.